We are living in an era where a base model pickup costs as much as a starter home did 20 years ago. The 2026 trucks hitting the showrooms right now are marvels of technology. But as a mechanic, I see them as disposable assets, designed for a 3-year lease, not a 30-year legacy. While the average buyer is fixated on 20-inch screens and 10-speed transmissions, the smart money is moving toward the back of the lot. In this video, we are looking at 6 pickups that the market has largely ignored, but Consumer Reports has historically flagged for having above-average or perfect reliability scores. These are the trucks with simple engineering, massive price gaps compared to new models, and a documented track record of reaching 400,000 miles without a major teardown. So let's dive in. Number 6. The Suzuki Equator, 2009 to 2012. The Suzuki Equator is the ultimate phantom truck, and it is a vehicle so ignored that even some used car dealers forget it's a pickup. It is a mid-size pickup truck that is assembled by Nissan, and it is identical to the D40 Nissan Frontier, featuring the legendary 4-liter VQ40DE V6 engine. But because it wears a Suzuki badge, it carries a massive brand ignorance discount. The engine of Suzuki Equator produces a solid 261 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque, utilizing a robust, naturally aspirated design that avoids the carbon buildup issues found in modern direct injection engines. As a mechanic, I love these because every single bolt, sensor, and filter is available at any Nissan dealership or local parts store, making maintenance incredibly simple. Consumer Reports indicate that 98% of owners recommend this pickup, with many reaching the 300,000-mile mark on original internals. While a 2011 Frontier SV might list for $14,000, you can often snag an Equator in the same condition for under $9,500. The price gap. A base model 2026 Nissan Frontier starts at $32,150. And by choosing the Equator, you are saving over $22,000 up front, while getting a powertrain that is arguably more reliable than the new 3.8-liter direct injection units. However, the Suzuki discontinued the Suzuki Equator after the 2012 model year, primarily due to terrible sales, extremely low brand recognition in the truck market, and mainly due to Suzuki's overall withdrawal from the US automobile market. If you want a long-lasting and high-reliable mid-size pickup truck, Suzuki Equator should be your first choice. Number 5. The Mitsubishi Raider, first generation, 2006 to 2009. The Mitsubishi Raider is often ridiculed for its polarizing, swoopy styling, but underneath that plastic cladding lies the heart of a third-gen Dodge Dakota. Data shows that this pickup has a 23.5% chance of reaching at least 200,000 miles, which is significantly higher than many modern mid-size competitors. The first-generation Mitsubishi Raider is most commonly equipped with the 3.7-liter Magnum V6, which is a SOHC engine that Chrysler over-engineered for durability, back when they still valued mechanical simplicity. Unlike newer Rams with complex, active fuel management systems that are notorious for lifter failures, the Raider's engine is a set-it-and-forget-it power plant. It delivers 210 horsepower and 235 pound-feet of torque, coupled with a heavy-duty frame that can tow up to 6,500 pounds. You can find Mitsubishi Raider pickups for around $6,000. This pickup truck failed to gain popularity in the US primarily because buyers are scared of the Mitsubishi nameplate, not realizing that every internal component is a Chrysler part. Want to know the price gap? Compare that to a 2026 Ram 1500, which now starts at a staggering $46,920. You could buy 7 Raiders for the price of one new Ram, and likely still have one running when the Ram's air suspension and infotainment screen eventually give up the ghost. Number 4. The Honda Ridgeline, 2006 to 2014. The first-generation Honda Ridgeline is often mocked by truck guys for its unibody construction, but from a mechanic's perspective, it is one of the most durable vehicles ever built. It is powered by the legendary J35 3.5-liter V6 engine that is a powertrain known in the industry for frequently surpassing 300,000 miles with nothing but routine timing belt service. Unlike modern trucks with 10-speed transmissions that hunt for gears, the Ridgeline uses a robust 5-speed automatic and an innovative VTM4 all-wheel drive system that features a fully lockable rear differential. This truck boasts a 1,100-pound payload capacity and a composite bed that literally cannot rust, which is a major win for anyone in the Salt Belt. Data from IC Cars consistently ranks the Ridgeline as the longest-lasting mid-size truck, with a higher percentage of units reaching 200K miles than even the Tacoma. You can pick up a clean 2012 model today for roughly $12,000. The price gap is: a 2026 Honda Ridgeline Sport starts at $40,595. By choosing the first-generation Honda Ridgeline, you save $28,595, while getting a truck that is arguably more ruggedly built than the newer, softer-styled versions. Number 3. The Toyota T100, 1993 to 1998. Before the Tundra existed, Toyota gave us the T100, and it remains one of the highest quality trucks ever imported to North America. This truck was actually built by Hino Motors in Japan, which is a company that specializes in heavy-duty commercial trucks, and that industrial-grade DNA is evident in every weld on the frame. J.D. Power awarded the T100 Best Full-Size Pickup in Initial Quality for 1994 and 1995 years. That is a feat rarely repeated by first-generation models. However, the T100 was famously criticized in the 90s for being too simple, but that simplicity is exactly why Consumer Reports consistently ranked it at the top of its class for initial quality. It is powered by the 3.4-liter 5VZ FE V6, that is the same engine found in the legendary 3rd-gen 4Runner, and this engine is famous for reaching 400,000 miles with nothing but routine timing belt changes. The T100 avoids the frame rust issues seen in the subsequent Tacoma generation because its steel was sourced from high-grade Japanese foundries that specialized in commercial-grade chassis. In an era where 2026 pickups are weighed down by thousands of lines of code and hundreds of sensors, the T100 offers a purely mechanical driving experience that won't leave you stranded due to a software glitch. A 2026 Toyota Tacoma starts at $33,000 and can quickly exceed $45,000 for mid-tier trims. But a pristine T100 can be acquired for about $8,000. Meaning you save over $25,000 to own what many mechanics consider the pinnacle of Toyota's truck building history. Number 2. First-generation Nissan Titan, 2009 to 2015. If you need full-size V8 power but don't want a $900 monthly payment, the first-generation Nissan Titan is the mechanic's choice for a million-mile work truck. RepairPal ranks the Titan second out of 17 full-size trucks for overall reliability, beating out its more popular rivals from Ford and Chevy. The centerpiece is the 5.6-liter VK56DE V8 engine, which produces 317 horsepower and 385 pound-feet of torque using a robust DOHC design that avoids the cylinder deactivation issues that plague GM's 5.3-liter engines. Unlike the 2026 V8s that use complex cylinder deactivation systems to save a few drops of fuel, the Titan's engine is a pure, port-injected V8 built to endure high heat and high mileage. By the 2009 model year, Nissan had reinforced the rear differentials and upgraded the brakes, resulting in a truck that is essentially a tank on 33-inch tires. Owners report an average of only 0.3 unscheduled shop visits per year, which is significantly lower than the industry average for half-ton pickups. It can tow up to 9,500 pounds and features a fully boxed frame that was actually stronger than the F-150 frame of the same era. You are buying a truck that hasn't changed its basic architecture in a decade, meaning all the bugs were worked out years ago, leaving you with a reliable, port-injected beast that will happily run on 87 octane forever. While a 2026 full-size V8 pickup now carries an average transaction price of $54,000, you can pick up a clean 2012 Titan for around $14,500. That is a $39,500 saving for a truck that Consumer Reports suggests will provide above-average reliability for the long haul. Number 1. First-generation Toyota Tundra 4.7-liter V8, 2000 to 2006, the #1 spot goes to the legendary first-gen Toyota Tundra because it is the only light-duty truck in history with multiple documented cases of hitting 1 million miles on the original engine. The secret sauce is the 4.7-liter 2UZ FE V8, which is an engine originally designed for Lexus luxury cruisers like the LX 470, and it features a cast-iron block and a forged steel crankshaft for extreme durability. This isn't just a good engine. It is widely considered by engineers to be one of the most reliable internal combustion engines ever mass-produced. While modern trucks use thin-wall aluminum blocks and complex turbochargers to meet emissions, the 2UZ FE uses pure displacement and overbuilt internal components to provide 282 horsepower that never quits. J.D. Power reliability scores for this era of Tundra are consistently in the great category, often hitting 88 out of 100 or higher for mechanical quality. Even with 250,000 miles on the odometer, these trucks frequently hold 90% of their factory compression, meaning they still drive like they just left the showroom. It is a truck designed during Toyota's golden age of quality control, where every component was tested to failure before being approved for the assembly line. A 2026 Toyota Tundra starts at $43,500 and can easily hit $75,000 in a high-trim configuration. You can buy a well-kept first-gen Tundra for roughly $11,000, pocketing a staggering $32,500 or more. For that price, you are not just buying a used truck, you are buying a mechanical heirloom that Consumer Reports validated as a legend 20 years ago. The bottom line of this video is, the data from Consumer Reports doesn't lie, and neither does the oil on a mechanic's hands. You can spend $60,000 on a 2026 truck with a 3-year warranty and a dashboard full of warning lights. Or you can find one of these 6 forgotten legends and drive it for the next 20 years. The price gap is the greatest bargain in the automotive world today, and don't let the marketing departments convince you otherwise. If this technical breakdown helped you, hit that subscribe button. Next week, we are looking at the 5 SUVs that are secretly 300,000-mile trucks in disguise. I will see you then. Drive safe.